be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh no! Help! Hurry, please! This is you, right?
Who are you?
Take this,
How did you get here? What's this? We'll change the way you look and the world around you will look differently? Oh, you should have called first. Sam is out for the whole weekend.
Oh, but what should I do? Oh, I pinned my hopes on this makeover.
What? A makeover?
Huh? A makeover?
All right, we'll sort it out. Am I a crafter or not? What's going on?
I want to see it too.
Don't push me! Here we go, Barbie. Welcome to the Terrific Sue's beauty salon. Hold on, I'll set everything up. Just a few more minutes. Here, take this magazine. It's very engaging. Okay, I usually start my beauty routine with a face mask. Let's make one using a wet wipe. Carefully cut out an oval shape of the right size. Then we'll make tiny cuts so it'll adjust to our pretty girl's face. There we go. We'll fold the mask like this to make openings for the eyes. Be careful with the scissors, guys. Hop. Yay! It turned out very realistic, didn't it? A cool design package is a must too. Awesome! This'll smoothen out the wrinkles and make your skin glow. Oh, our Barbie can't wait to start her makeover. Here you go, miss. First, it's your beauty day, so please relax, close your eyes, calm down, and breathe soothingly. Whoa, a rumor about the beauty day spread it out among dolls. Well, Terrific Sue's beauty salon welcomes everyone.
Oh, amazing.
Let's see, we'll take this off. Hop and hop. All right. Aha, it turned out great. Shall we brush your hair?
Oh no, a giant brush!
Well, it is pretty big actually. Oh, what's this? Air clay? I think I know what we can do with this. We'll roll even strips of 3 colors and then make a colorful twister like this. Paint and cut off toothpick tips. Coat a cushion with transparent nail polish. You can even glue a tiny mirror on the backside. A twister handle is now attached too. It's so tiny. Aww. Can I brush your hair now, miss? This brush can untangle even the most unruly locks. You wish.
Oh, I want to have curls too.
Actually, we can make them for you. Give me just a minute. Cut out the middle pieces of plastic eye droplets. We need 2 cylinders. One should be squeezed into another, like this. But first, let's make them beautiful. All right, you can pull even more glamorous look. Now let's make a cut so you can use the hair rollers easily. Check out these pretty thingies we've made. Barbie, get your hair ready.
But how should we use them?
Take a thin lock and slide the roller along the length. I wanted curls too! Whoa, they look so real! Now dry them with hot air so the curls stay longer. Okay, let's see how it looks. Untwist the rollers.
Whoa,
It's so cool! Let's take out the last roller. We'll fix the hairdo with some hairspray. And it's done! Barbie's ready to take over the world!
It didn't work!
Our nosy dolls haven't paid attention to the tutorial. Come on, Beauty, give me a second, I'll fix everything. Let's move on. We can't do a makeover without some makeup. Use an empty pen rod to make a lipstick. Seal one end in a pool of super glue. A short piece will become a lipstick base. Let's speed up the drying out process. Great, thanks Barbie! Oh, I can't wait to try out our new cosmetics. Apply some force. And it's almost done. Use a piece of a toothpick for a lipstick rod. Attach some holographic paper as a metallic part of the case.
Don't forget about the capsule.
A bit later. First, we should insert the lipstick and color it pink using nail polish. Let's close the cap and ta-da! Lipstick by Sue is done. Would you mind? Huh? Here we go. Wow, it looks amazing on you, Barbie. These two lipsticks are perfect for your friends. Here you go, girls. This little thing looks like a mascara brush, right? Use a piece of plastic straw to make a handle. And this piece is perfect to make a mascara case. Let's make it opaque using duct tape. And add some cute little decor. It's a total blast! Let's try the new mascara on. Check it out. Whoosh, whoosh. Her eyelashes are getting longer. Don't fly away, Barbie!
Whoa!
Now we only need an eyeshadow palette to finish her makeup. Wow, so cool! A shining piece of sticky paper replicates a palette shape. With a mirror like this, you can fix your makeup whenever is needed. Very handy. Here comes a piece of a double-sided duct tape. Pull out a protecting layer, so the eyeshadow palette will close tightly. Here we go. Great! Oh, you decided to personalize your beauty products. Great! I think it turned out amazing. So, what color are you into today, huh? Oh, this one matches your gray eyes. What a beauty! You know what will glow your new look up? Nice earrings! Have you taken your vitamins? Can I borrow this? Thanks. We just need these two pieces for the craft.
Oh, new earrings!
Fill them up with your favorite glitter and some rhinestones. Wow! Oh, thanks, girls! These earrings will shine like real diamonds.
A chain! Make a chain, please!
Cut off excessive cardboard and attach the chain. Use a piece of thin wire to make secure fastenings. Sue's Jewelry House gladly presents to you its new collection. Whoa! I'll surely make these for myself after the shooting. Now you're defo ready to shine. Oh, what a pity. You should have used a nail strengthener. Whoosh! It's a great idea! A colorful paper clip works just fine. Actually, we'll use just a tiny piece of its rubber cover. Pull through it a thin needle with a thread to one side, then to the other, and make a tiny loop like a lasso. Take a tuft of brush bristles, tighten a loop, and then attach a bead. Choose a right-sized bead, and a nail polish is ready. Apply it daily and you'll get healthy, strong nails within a week.
Wait, I'm writing it down.
Hey, we should write everything down so it won't slip away. Foam paper pieces will make a nicely done cover for a tiny notebook. We'll glue a paper applique to a thin piece of cardboard. Now cut it out. It's done. We're gonna need 2 of these. Let's add some foam paper seeds to resemble a real watermelon. This amount of pages will last pretty long. A watermelon-shaped notebook is a bright reminder of summer. You can write down my beauty routine recommendations here. Here's a pencil. Seems like Barbie loves it so far. Should we make a nice jewelry for your hands? Ladies, you don't need so many straws.
Hey, we do!
Let's make a cute bracelet. Uh-huh. We just need a few sparkling rhinestones. Don't forget to make a neat cut, so you can effortlessly put it on the wrist.
Oh, what a dream! I'll wear it to the ball!
But unfortunately your shoes will be so out of place there. Let's add a couple of neat straps. Much better, but let me finish them first. Good shoes are pretty, but also durable, right? Here we go. Check this out, Barbie. It's so pretty. Hey, girls, don't fight. Oh, wow.
Oh, but how can I take it all with me?
We should hurry and make a bag for you. Check out what a nice and roomy bag we've got. Let's try and put inside a mascara, a lipstick, and one more. It's all in! Awesome! Well, Barbie, are you happy with your makeover?
Oh yeah, it was so much fun! I'm so excited!
It worked out so good. Sam will be amazed to know I made all this. Huh? Interesting. Who can this be?
We saw the ad!
No, we're closed for today. Phew. Oh, Sammy, come back and fix what you've done.
Sam, come back now!
Hey, Susie, relax! I'll stay here for one more week. Tell the guys to give a thumbs up. Bye-bye. So nice.
Our plastic pot like that. Let's shake it all out. Fantastic. And then put this to one side. Let's draw our fish. Okay, he's going to look a bit like that. Let's give him a tail. Fantastic. An eye, a mouth, and another little fin there. Now let's cut this out very carefully. But scissors are sharp, remember? So be very careful. There we go. Now, our fish is nearly ready, but we need to stick him into the tank. So let's make a little sticky roll of sticky tape. Just by rolling it up like that. There we go. Fantastic. And then this will stick to our fish, and he will pop into the tank. Fantastic. Now I just need to tear this very quickly, this green tissue paper, like that. And then if I bunch it up together, it makes the weed to go in the back. There, time!
Thank you, Mr. Maker.
Into a ball, and then squash it into the body shape of my monster. Then I'm going to get two smaller lumps of clay and roll them into small sausages. These are going to be the monster's legs. There we go, there are the legs, and there's the body. Okay, looking good. Right, I'm going to get a feather now and stick that in the top there, and then give my monster an eye. Now we need to give him some arms, don't we? So for that, we can draw those on the side of this card here. There's one arm, There's 2 arms, and now I'm going to cut these out.
Be careful.
Don't worry, Toki, I'm being careful. Here we go. Oh, I'm running out of time. Right, gonna cut round here. There we go. Come on now. Don't fail me, scissors, don't fail me.
Come on, slow coach.
I'm going as quick as I can, Toki. There we go, there's one in there, and one in there. There. Shape and roll it into a cone shape and stick it with some tape. Now, if this is a bit fiddly, you can ask an adult to help you. Then, make a pinch in the nose and very carefully, with your scissors, make a slit in the top, like that. Now, get the rectangle piece of paper, fold it in half, and very, very carefully cut an ear shape out. There we go.
Be careful.
Go. I'm being careful, don't worry. Then, these ears should just pop in the slit, like that. There we go. Right, now he needs 2 eyes. I'm going to put 1 eye there and 1 eye on the other side there. Here we go. Now he needs a tail.
Hurry up.
Right. Let's stick the tail in the back there. There we go. The tail's in. And there you go. You've got yourself a little mouse puppet. Ice creams. That's made up of a cone shape like that. And, of course, a big blob of ice cream. There we go. Let's very carefully cut those out.
Be careful.
I'm being careful, Toki, don't you worry. There we go.
I like ice cream.
Yeah, I like ice cream as well, Toki, but I haven't really got time to talk about that at the moment. There we go. Now, I'm also going to cut out a small circle of red foam. Now, that's going to be the cherry on the top. There we go. Right, let's get some sticky tape and our 2 lolly sticks. And I'm going to stick those lolly sticks together like that at the top. Then let's get some glue. Put some glue on there. And that's going to be our cone position. Then some glue on there. That's going to be the ice cream, like that. And then that's going to be the cherry on the top. Add some detail to the cone. I've done it! And feed on a small plastic toy like that. That's the rhino. Let's put him round there once or twice. There we go. Brilliant. Now let's turn it over like that and start feeding on our plastic beads. I'm going to start with this small dark green one like that. There we go. And then put on one of these slightly larger light green ones. There we go. You can use whatever colour beads you like and whatever shape and size.
Halfway there.
Oh, no, they're going everywhere. I've got to be... Oh, no, I need a big one now. That's it. That goes on there, like that. Now another small one. Oh, dear, I'm running out of time. There we go. And one more big one should do it, I think. All right. Oh, no, I'm running out of time. Right, now I need the key ring loop, like that. And then I just need to loop it round and round and round and round, like that. There we go. A fantastic keyring charm.